Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. How to sell your photo online? The 15 page heard the best of place to sell photo online. When you take a photo and you think people old willing to pay. The 50 website and the 50 website the sell your photo, how you bling your or taken the some photo people will be willing to pay for. You need to how the most probable place to sell photo online. Thankful there are some requested website that can help you turn those photo into cash. And selling your photo online can help drives and your income. Number one, Almay, this is the sales of your photo. There are the resource. Almay has over the 160 million videos and photos sales on the website. This photography is 50% really prime cash and photo. The second, Shutterstock, nice legend Shutterstock. The number three, iStock. If you were in this in launch, and the best type of photo and sale online take you is iStock. iStock recover, and there's the photos for you can sell on Google. Search on Google the sell photo. The Google a lot of provide then website. Just I can search sell photos. Okay, just image sells photos. Lot of website provide sell photos. You can image just cell phone photos. That's all image, video, books, map, more. Just to image you have the lot of image Google provide, but keyword ranking. Just your any site, any videos, click here. This site, how to sell on photos, how to sell photos on your online platform. Just a lot of Google can search the lot of website provide your website and Google Photos. You can choose an any website. Click here. The lot of provide the photo sales website and platform. The lot of platform you can provide this. That I can you can just search on Google search bar how to lot of provide your selling photo, the how to make money on to make money on photo selling. This is the website. This website is provide lot of videos how to sell photo online and earn monies. 50 plays. This is the number one Almari. Number two, Shutterstock. Number three, Shutterstock. Number three, iStock. Number four, photo shelter. Number five, Adobe Stock. Number six, Adobe Stock is a beautiful site offer on the 33% people the getting into bling. Some goes mog and can stock photo 8123 RF photos. This is site over the 110 million file over than almost the 1 lakh more at every day. Then the release photos sell your photo this in Dreamstone and Fine Art America. snippet for you, Pomoto, Stockley, and IM, the story blockers. The lot of site, the sell photo online, earn some the extend cash, earn some the extend cash, earn some the extend cash. The photography is your charge from the help making money, make money, doing have love bonus. There are photo selling website can be final give your photos that record is dives your helpful and more photography scale and will the first in it. This is the your email and submission, the 10 location, the your friend request and the keyword influence and carry photo. Seven or grow your photographic business with the small social media following. Social media following lot of you can really within extend audience, the feature, the guest posting shows the products. Products have become more and popular those the 21 each and not different. There are the sellings and several and eating the almost choosing. From however, phonics and makes both my problem photographies is can easily and can photos. What is the about photographies improve your website SEO? The friends lot of information this provide and how to sell photo online and earn money, make money. 50 plays number one, this plays the almarys is this website. There are some almari 60 and 160 million shutter strokes and the eye strokes. And if you must in learn about an eye stroke, photo seller Adobe Stock. A lot of photos sell in your website. Adobe Stock and have beautiful photos. You can just search on the online platform. You can search online, Google lot of if you build to if you build to the hopes of your photo and invest in this is the almaris. There are reasons why to over 160 million. The shutter since is the last stock has been paid and 1 billion photographer continue. What is your website when you uploaded photo, the marketplace and sales and copywriting and can be used and shows in this. The sixth level remaining the 50% from the iStock. If you are interested and then learning about there are photo selling and take a review in the link and request can the 50% discount. The photo seller professional photo website and editor site and uploading. If you want to sell photo online, how to make money, those are the online your photo sell and format. The William person, the Adobe stock is the sale is the Adobe production, some go mag and can stock photos A1, 2, 3, R4. There are side over the one 110 million first is this is the which is real the somebody uploaded can you the million dreams trait and the finer art of America. The fine art of America, the art of America, this perfect place, this is the morning, the positive in self physical fins and shots. Can you help in photos? And there are coming and the photos and companies and they are snap for you and the photography work test and photo even is the gigs. For a lot of sites, just this site website is can provide just you can earn how to sell your photography there the justice. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel.